Hi y'all, it's Courageous and I am here with an unboxing of the How to Deal Tarot for Everyday Life, written by Sami and illustrated by Marisa de la Peña. This is the limited Urban Outfitters edition, and at Urban Outfitters it was 50% off. So I ordered it yesterday and I picked it up in the store today, and yeah, let's get to this unboxing. So comes with this little strap here. This is a thick guidebook. I like. So I like the illustrations. Table of contents. I like. Welcome to the club. I just love her illustrations. I really do. Shout out to Marisa de la Peña. I'll read this after I'm done with the video. Then it goes straight into the cards. Gives a description of the wands. So it's pretty much an intro to the suit. Then it has the picture as well as the description of the card. So it starts right away with the suits, and then what is this here? Oh, so I guess this is kind of like a little note space. It says, list your 2 best friends and what makes them your best friends. Together plus you, they're who make up your 3 of wands. They are your go-to people for when you're in a tough spot and you need a hand up or a hand to hold. Whenever the 3 of wands comes up, remember it represents a support group. Shout out to my 3 of wands crew. Squad goals card. I already know my squad. Then who's the queen of wands in your life, who's got it all figured out. They probably only look like they do, but still take a minute and write down the qualities you admire in them. What makes them seem so effortless, because that's what makes a good queen of wands. So I like that it has this note space where you can interact with the cards and kind of learn them your own way. So this is really good for beginners and those who want to interact with the cards intuitively. Then it goes into the cups. Looks like it has the same kind of journal space for each of the suits, which is really great for learners, beginners, and those who are just looking to take their tarot practice deeper. Write down 3 things people wouldn't know about you by just looking at you. Those are some knives, so use them wisely. I like that. Pentacle. Then it goes into the major arcana. Ooh, look at this Fool card. I like it. High Priestess. I want to see the Devil. My major arcana birth card is the Devil. There we go, the Devil. Okay, and she has scales. Okay, I like that. All right. So after the major arcana, more journaling, and then training, tarot training. So this is definitely for beginners, for you to learn by actively engaging with the tarot and journaling. And then it does give you some spreads. So I like that. All right, so let's get into these cards. All right, so inside the box is another box. Embrace your intuition. Yes. I like the back. These 3 eyes on the back. The cards not that big. I'm not mad at that. All right. They have like a matte finish. They're not glossy. And they're pretty thin. I'm gonna try to shuffle a bit. All right. All right, so let's see. The Four of Cups. Three of Cups. The Two of Cups. The Nine of Cups. I just love the artwork. I love the colors. Eight of Cups. Lower that down. Lower it. Seven of Cups. Six of Cups. Five of Cups. This is beautiful. This deck, like I said, Marisa Peña's artwork just calls out to me, and I had to jump on it. I'm just like, I have to get it. Ten of Knives. Nine of Knives. The Eight of Knives. The Seven of Knives. Six of Knives. The Five of Knives. The Four of Knives. The Three of Knives. The Two of Knives. The Ace of Knives. King of Cups. The Queen of Cups. This is actually my husband's birth card, court card. He is a Cancer sun. Queen of Cups. He's my Queen of Cups, and I'm his King of Knives. Knight of Wands. I like I like this. Yellow is my favorite color, so I'm taking the colors. And the Reptilian Knight. The Page of Wands. Ten of Wands. It's a bird restricted from flying. The Nine of Wands. Eight of Wands. Frankincense and myrrh just going out. Eight of Wands. Seven of Wands. Six of Wands. Five of Wands. I love the mix of animal and human characters or art on the card. It's not all human, but there is a mix of animal, and some of them are personified, or not personified, anthropomorphized, but in some they're just being animals as well. So I can definitely appreciate this mix. I like this. Two of Wands. I'm a yogi, and I try to contort my body. So this is goals for me right there. Good balance. Judgment. I like the Judgment card. The Sun. Oh yes. Any sun card that uses the sunflower is great in my book. The Kaleidodope deck that I have also has the sun as a sunflower, and I love it. I'm all for it. Let me find it. So this I'm all for sunflower sun cards. I love it. The moon, the star, the tower, the devil, my major arcana card based on numerology. My life path number is 6, and this is my card. And then my shadow card is the Lovers, Temperance, Death, Ace of Cups, King of Wands, Queen of Wands, the Emperor. Oh, I like this. The Empress, the High Priestess, the Magician, the Fool, King of Pentacles, my Rising Sign, Court card, Queen of Pentacles. I like her. She's just sitting on her throne. Knight of Pentacles, giving me Robin Hood vibes. Drop one. Who's trying to get away here? Page of Pentacles, the 10 of Pentacles, dollar bills, y'all, all about the Benjamins. The 9 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, like that, 4 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, King of Knives, here I am, Queen of Knives, Knight of Knives, the Hanged Woman, Justice, the Wheel of Fortune, the Hermit, Strength, I like that, the Chariot. This is my husband's birth card. My husband's? Yeah, my husband's birth card. The Lovers, here's my shadow card, I like that. The Hierophant, the World, Ace of Wands, Knight of Cups. Again, the Knights are animals, not actual people in most of these. Page of Cups. I like that. And the 10 of Cups. Alright, so this has been my unboxing of the How to Deal Tarot for Everyday Life. Like I said, this is the Urban Outfitters limited edition, and it's currently 50% off. So go snag that. And yeah, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you use this deck. How do you like it? Do you have any issues with it? I like I said, I was called to this deck, and I am so glad that I bought it. I jumped on it immediately, and I'm looking forward to working with it. But I already feel bonded to this deck. I do like Marisa de la Peña's art, and she is very true to her origins, and I look forward to working with the How to Deal Tarot for Everyday Life. So yeah, this is Courageous.